How to order coffee like a pro. Hey there, coffee lovers. Ever found yourself at a loss for words when ordering your morning brew? Fear not. Today we're diving into the world of coffee lingo and mastering the art of ordering at your favorite cafe. Let's start with the basics. When you walk into a coffee shop, you'll usually see a menu board. Take a moment to scan through the options and decide what you're in the mood for. Espresso, latte, cappuccino, the choices can be overwhelming. But don't worry, we're here to help you navigate through it all. Now that you've made your decision, it's time to place your order. Don't be shy. Use these phrases to communicate exactly what you want. Hi, I'll have a medium latte, please. See, ordering coffee is as easy as pie. Just remember to be polite and clear with your request. Let's try some more options. You could say, "Can I get a small Americano, please?" How about something sweet? You could say, "I'd like a tall caramel macchiato, please." A caramel macchiato, perfect for those with a sweet tooth. Feeling adventurous? Try, "Could I get a large mocha frappuccino, please?" The mocha frappuccino, a delightful blend of chocolate and coffee, perfect for warm days. And for our oat milk fans out there, you might say, "I'd like a grande latte with oat milk, please." A latte with oat milk is a creamy and dairy-free option for those with dietary preferences. And there you have it, your perfectly crafted cup of joe, made just the way you like it. So next time you find yourself craving a caffeine fix, remember these tips and order with confidence. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy sipping.